I decided to do something a little different. So, I decided to do a little review on some of my Gymshore figures with you guys. So, first up, we have Marie from the Aristocats. She's all decked out in her little winter outfit. She's so cute. I used to watch the Aristocats when I was very little, about like 10 years ago. I have her standing on Snow White. They're all like made out of clay and sculpted very well. So these are all made by Gymshore. So, I mean, I have a few of these. She has like little snowflakes on her little cape. Has these little like details on her. I haven't seen the Aristocats in forever. Mainly because of my cat, Chica. Long story. But that's Marie. I'll do another review on another one of my Gymshore figures or something. I'll figure that out. So, see ya.